Hey, it's Mark Yagi, and I have this Palantir trade going right now, and I just want to let you know what's going on the call side. I'm not going to talk about the put side because that's the dark side and that confuses people. That is a part of my trade, and it's what I call the juice lever trade, but I don't want to blow you out of the water with this juice lever trade that I think is really a cool thing. But I do want to be transparent and tell you I've got some Palantir. But yesterday, Palantir had climbed to 146. It's had a nice week, right? And so I was sitting there with the 138 calls. So what I did is I like to be an in the money guy. And so I rolled those up, not quite all the way, but I rolled them up a little bit earlier, grabbing an extra day of juice. And so I rolled them up from the 138s to the 142s. You could see that position right here now because it's been rolled up. And I got about $5.30 a share, right, on that. And I got 10 shares, or 10 contract, which is 1,000 shares. That's about $5,300. Well, at that time, I got about $3 worth of juice, which is, I don't know, $3,000 in juice. That's the income I'm making from the trade. That's what I count, okay? But I was in the money by $4, right? And so that in the money amount protected me. Well, good thing, because the stock is down what? $7 today? Okay, it's only down $5.35 now. But so I went down from 146 to 142 and didn't lose a dime. That's the cool thing about the in the money trade. And that's what I teach, is primarily be in the money. If you can make 1% to 2% a week, that's 50 to 100% a year in income. That's what we're after. We're not after the capital gains. So why not do that and be conservative? I'm glad I did it. The stock is down 5. 4 of that I didn't lose any money on, right? I'm losing a little bit of money underneath the 142 because now the stock is at 139. And so I look over here at my options and I go, okay, I got like $3 of juice and change, right? And now it's worth $2. Well, there's still 8 days, 6 days left on it. We got the 4th of July coming up next week. So it's a short week. So there's still some juice left in it, but I've already made money on this trade. I've already made money. I've made the in the money amount, right? But I've lost the in the money amount on the long position. So those have basically offset. And then I'm going to be left with the juice next Friday. So I'm going to get another $3,000. Think about it. If I get $3,000 a week, every week, it's $150,000 a year. And this is Palantir. It's not that expensive a stock. It's $139 right now. And if I can make $150,000 on a $139,000 investment, right, that's pretty darn good. And that's what I'm shooting for. That's why I trade and sell the juice. The juice is the income. The income is what we're after. The stock is going to go up and down, right? Right now it's going up, right? But it goes down. Like today, it's gone down $5. Yesterday it was going up. Like we can't control that, guys. That's not what we're trying to control here. We're trying to control the amount of juice that we make, the amount of income that we make. That's what we can control. And we control that. There's a lot of people that go, hey, Mark, why don't you trade out of the money? You can make so much more money out of the money when the stock is going up. Yeah, Nostradamus. If the stock is going up, you're brilliant, like you predicted it. I had somebody on the thing that said, you would have made a lot more money on this trade if you were just long and you weren't selling calls on it. Yeah, genius. That's exactly right. We would have made a lot more money, but I don't know if the stock's going up or down. Did I know the stock was going to go down $5.47 this morning when I woke up? I was like, oh, it's going to be a great day in Palantir. Oh no, down $5.45. I don't know. I can't control that. What can I control? The juice. And that's what we're doing. So I hope you understand why I did it. I've gone from $3 of juice to now $2. In other words, I shorted $3 and now it's worth $2. So I've already made, what, 50% on the juice already? And I protect myself by being in the money. That's what I'm trying to teach you guys so that you don't decimate your account when stocks go down, right? You could be conservative and still make 1% to 2% a week. All right, I hope you get it. That's my trade on Palantir, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Thanks for checking in. Bye. Hey, by the way, I'm thinking about having an event in Clearwater, Florida, on the beach in September. And it's going to be like mid-September, and we're going to get together for like 3 days, and we're going to learn all kinds of stuff about how to collect juice and how to make income and how to trade and how to pick stocks and how to read charts and really fun stuff. And I want to kind of know if you're interested. If you're interested in coming, put a comment that says beach or something like that, just to let me know that you're interested. I want to get a gauge and see how many people can come in September, mid-September to late September, see if that's a good time for you. We'll get together, we'll have some fun, we'll learn how to make money, and we'll enjoy the beach in Clearwater, which is a perfect time. I grew up there, and it's really awesome. So hopefully you can make it. If you can, if you think you're interested, just put a comment below. That's all you got to do. Put a comment, no pressure. I'm just trying to get a gauge from you to see if this is worth putting on. Hey, it's Mark Yagi, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do that right now. That would be a great favor to me, and plus it helps me get this material out to a lot of other people that might need it. I've got a little bit of a movement going on here, and I want to try to change the world one person at a time, showing them that you can make safe, reliable income from the stock market. And plus it helps to grow the channel a little bit. Also, if you would give me a thumbs up on the video and like it, great. If you don't like it, give me a thumbs down, that's cool. But just tell me why you don't like it so I can get better. And then hit the notification bell so you can get these videos as soon as they come out, because a lot of times this is timely information and you want to get that information before it gets stale. The last thing is to join my free Insider Tips newsletter. There's a link below, and you get everything in one spot. You get breaking news and analysis also. So that would be great if you could do that too. See you soon.